Hey there, amazing humans. Today, we're diving deep into the wisdom of Stoicism, a philosophy that's not just about ancient teachings, but about transforming your life right here, right now. These 7 mantras aren't just words, they're life-changing principles that can guide you in everything, from crushing your goals to tackling life's toughest challenges. Let's get into it. Mantra 1. Make haste slowly. Imagine you're building your dream. Your first instinct? Go fast. But the Stoics say, slow down to speed up. Sarah wanted to start her business. Initially, she rushed and made costly mistakes. After embracing make haste slowly, she planned carefully and researched thoroughly. The result? A successful startup that grew steadily and sustainably. Mantra 2. Strong mind, strong body. Your mind and body aren't separate. They're a team working together to fuel your success. Think about elite athletes or successful entrepreneurs. They know that physical discipline builds mental resilience. Mental strength drives physical performance. One supports the other in a powerful feedback loop. Michael started practicing meditation and weightlifting at the same time. He noticed his focus at work improved dramatically. His enhanced physical health also led to increased mental clarity and overall productivity. Mantra 3. From struggle, we emerge stronger. Struggle isn't your enemy, it's your trainer. Jake lost his job during the pandemic. Instead of giving up, he reframed the situation as an opportunity. He learned coding, started freelancing, and eventually launched a thriving tech consultancy. Mantra 4. Love your fate. This isn't about toxic positivity, it's about radical acceptance. Not everything that happens is good, but how you respond can be extraordinary. Emma's startup failed. Instead of falling into despair, she took time to analyze her mistakes, learn from them, and pivot her strategy. The result? Her next venture was a massive success. Mantra 5. Negative visualization. It may sound negative, but it's actually a powerful tool for stress management. By imagining worst-case scenarios, you reduce actual anxiety because you're prepared. You create robust contingency plans. You develop a deeper appreciation for what you have right now. Mantra 6. Character is fate. Your repeated choices define you, not your circumstances, not your past, your choices. David had the option to take shortcuts in his business. Instead, he chose integrity, every single time. The result? He built trust, and long-term success naturally followed. Mantra 7. Remember you are mortal. This isn't depressing, it's liberating. You have limited time. So, stop wasting energy on negativity and things that don't matter. Focus on pursuing what truly matters to you. Live fully, starting right now. The takeaway.